golden brown. Delicious. Spray bottom of pan with non-ticking cooking spray. And because I'm taking this to go, I'm just easily making it in this and leaving it in this pan. Okay, the first ingredient is cherry pie filling. And this can is 20 ounces. We're gonna put this on the bottom. We're gonna spread it out all over the bottom. That's so simple, isn't it? It's so pretty, red cherries. And you can use any pie fillings you want at the bottom. Fruit pie filling. Pineapple or apple or lemon or blueberry, anything right there. Okay, now I'm fixing to go get the second ingredient, so stay tuned. Wait. Okay, I'm back with this second ingredient, which is crushed pineapple. And I am using 20 ounces of crushed pineapple. And you want to spread it over evenly across there. Let me get a something to spread it with. Let me just get this. Just gonna spread it evenly. See how juicy that is already? You don't want to drain it. You just want to put it in there, juice and all. So that's our second ingredient. So isn't it simple? Remember, first ingredient, a can of cherries. And this is the second ingredient, pineapple. Stay tuned, just wait. I'm coming back with the third ingredient. Now for the third ingredient, some yellow cake mix. So I got this yellow cake mix. We're just gonna sprinkle over the top evenly, all the way around, the whole cake mix. Don't forget the edges. We want that cake mix evenly around. This is so simple. Especially if you have to have a fast dessert. And there's no mixing. I love it. No mixing. And one pan. You can fix this all in one pan. No additional. I don't even have to have a spoon. Look, see? No spoon required. No stirring, no mixing. The only skill is having to get it evenly around the edges. Get that over there. And I think I got that evenly around. There we go. Now, okay, see there? That's my third ingredient. Now stay tuned for the fourth ingredient. You don't want to miss this. You'll love it. Now for the fourth ingredient. Yes. Now we're taking 1 cup of butter. Okay, now half of the cup of butter, we're melting it. And we're just pouring it evenly, drizzling it all over the top of the cake. Just drizzle. Now we're taking the other half of the cup of butter, and we're just laying it, cut it in little cubes, and just lay it across, randomly across the cake, or the topping rather. So that makes a whole cup of butter. 1/2 of it is melted, and the other half is cut into squares. That one's stuck there. And just lay it randomly across there. That's 2 pieces of butter together. There we go. Okay, see that? Just randomly across there. Yes, that's the 4th ingredient. Now, wait till the end. You've got to see how this turns out. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to tell you. Hey, you need to make this at 325. Preheat the oven for 325 while you're putting this together. And then put it in the oven until it's golden brown on top and it's bubbly around the edges. Stay tuned. You'll see how it turns out. Golden brown. Delicious. Can be easily topped with ice cream or your favorite Cool Whip topping.